your intuition, baby, it is a blessing. So stop second guessing yourself. Remove the veil, inhale, exhale, to see right through the lies he tells.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Curlytashh. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. What's good? What's poppin'? So today, you guys, I am cooking. It's a cook with me type of video. You're probably asking, Tasha, what are we having for supper? Do y'all say supper or dinner? Comment down below. I say supper. People think that is so weird, but I'm like, are y'all ready for supper? We're making spaghetti tonight, and then I'm gonna be a little bougie and have a small little glass of okay, because I'm a mom, you know, sometimes you just need a break, so that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'm still getting used to this red hair. It's so different. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I'm probably only gonna keep this color in my head for like a week, maybe not even that. I'm over it already. Like, as bold as it is, I'm over it. But yeah, so let's go ahead and just jump right into this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. And guys, we hit 1K. Like, what? Like, okay, so that is good enough for us. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna take that meat that I have right here and put it over into this pan, like so. Then I'm gonna put it on, I don't know, like medium high sort of thing. I'm gonna put it on medium heat. And then I'm also gonna preheat the oven, guys, to 400 because I am gonna make garlic bread. It's my fave. And speaking of, we're gonna go ahead and lay that out on the baking pan that I have on the counter. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so starting out, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. This is my favorite garlic bread of all time. Just so, it's this kind. It's the Texas toast. Okay, so, and I like to go ahead and have these on the pan ready to go in the oven because as soon as the meat is done, go ahead and put the garlic bread into the oven, and it takes literally like 5 minutes to cook. And the garlic bread will be cooking as I am heating up the tomato sauce for the spaghetti. So now, since I have the hamburger meat going, I'm gonna go ahead and start boiling the noodles. So yeah, I need more pans. Like, for Christmas, all I want is pans. Mom life. I'm just gonna fill it halfway with water. And for the water, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set it on high just so it starts boiling faster. I'm gonna break apart this hamburger meat so I can season it. And I'm actually gonna turn the heat down a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to find this onion powder and garlic powder. So I like to start off with the onion powder first. The garlic salt, this is the stuff that you wanna be careful with because if you put too much, your shit gonna be salty. So you don't want that. Okay guys, so Maya wanted to come in here. Okay, here you go. So now I need to add the spaghetti noodles. Is that yummy? Ooh. You want a drink? That's sweet tea. Do you like it? Yeah. You don't like it? Want some grapes? Needing to find the can opener. I really want to organize this. Like, all of this needs to be organized. I need to find out a way, look on Pinterest, look at some cute ideas to organize this because this is not working for me. Exactly. That's why. So now I'm just gonna open this can of tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce. I don't even know what to call it. It is tomato sauce, but I literally hate whenever it catches. So annoying. So I'm just gonna put this back and we're gonna take this over here. If you're like me and you get bored whenever you're cooking, I like to have music or something going on while I am cooking just because it makes me feel like I'm being entertained. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to find something to listen to while I'm cooking. And yeah, so the hamburger meat and the noodles are gonna be cooking for a while. I usually just listen to music. Yeah, I'll come back whenever I am ready to actually form the spaghetti, put the sauce in, all of that stuff. So yeah. So right now, guys, I'm gonna drain the meat, and I just use a paper bowl because they're easy to dispose. And then I use this drain, so I just set it on top and I just drain the meat. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add in the tomato sauce right here. But not too much because this is already garlic and herb sauce. So it already has a slight hint of seasoning to it. I'm just adding a little touch of Tasha to it. So I just let that heat up and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it to simmer actually. Check on these noodles. And then to clean this up, guys, I'm just gonna take a paper towel. And just clean up that area and wash my show.
Quick updates will be
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so
So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 1K. Love you all so much. Like, we're growing. We hit 1K. Like, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.